Hi, Eric. Good afternoon. Really, this is your unit. Ito yung sala, living room. Okay, Eric. Going to his room. Ito yung gusto mo, Eric, na gawing dalawang balcony katabi nito. Okay. Ito ang iyong room. Ito kabuuan ng salat. Ito ang babaklasing CR mo. Then, the other side, papasok sa master's bedroom ni Snooki. Master's bedroom. Overlooking buksan namin itong balcony. Ayan. Ayan yung labas. Coastal Mall. Then, sabi niya, mall location na. Okay. Ito yung CR. Binabaklas ko para sa, ano ba yun? Bathtub. Okay. So, ito yung utility pinapabaklas ni Arlene. 2 months. Bago ma-full DP, doon babaklasin. Okay. Ito yung utility na lalagyan ng sliding door para kay Arlene. So, ito naman, nasa utility room ako. Ito yung salas or living room ni Arlene. Yan. Wala pang partition. Okay. That's all. Ito yung ano ba to? Balcony ni Eric facing north. Ito yung likod. Okay.